Cool. Welcome into this video. I would like to take you through how you can visualize some of the passwords which you have backed up with your Google account or your Gmail account. What you're supposed to do, just get into your Gmail app. Then what you can do, you can just click the Gmail icon which is here. Then just go to manage your account. Then what you need to do, you just need to come to where we have password manager. So, and after doing that, you can be able to visualize all the passwords which you have been able to save or to back up with your Google account. They are here, they are out of them. So to visualize them, you can just click above that and then verify your identity, and you can be able to visualize that password. But I'll not do it for mine now, since they are very sensitive passwords. So there is also another method which you can use in case you don't have the Gmail app. You can just get into your phone settings. Then after getting to your phone settings, just scroll downward to where you will see user and account, or you can search from here account user and account. It will be predicted here. So you shall see your Gmail account here, and you can see the Google password. You can just click above it, and let us go back and use the normal method. You can just come to where you have your Gmail account, then you can come to where we have the Gmail account information. Then you come to where we have password managers, and you can be able to visualize these passwords so easily from this interface. In case you cannot see it in this interface, there are a lot of ways to kill the alert. You can just come into your phone Play Store. Let me remove this one. Then you can come to your Gmail icon which is here. Then go to the Google account. Go to where we have Google account, and you can come to where we have password managers, and they are all of them here. So I have shown you the 3 methods which you can use in order to access your backed up password in your Google account. So basically, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to give the video a thumb up and also to hit the subscribe button so that you never miss out any of our future rolling content like this. Thank you, and may God bless you.